Uh, so the whole aspect of wh- what really is a rehab for a person with schizophrenia. Is it that, I mean, we start with activities of daily living. Bringing it into a routine itself sometimes is a big challenge. That's the first milestone and step. Then a larger focus of ours is around social skills, life skills. Then is about what do we equip for post discharge and reintegration. But medically, if you could outline as to why we do what we do, from the starting point of even to a report of a diagnostic clarification that we start with, to the various stages that we take them through to achieve these goals, what really is our core outline clinically, and where and how should families play a role? What should they understand, whether these options are there in the treatment center, from that context?
Okay, so I think we have touched upon, which you also elaborated about, the supported living, supported employment,
Yeah.
and we briefly touched upon the short-term rehabilitation and the long-term rehabilitation part of it. Where is this coming from? Okay, this is coming from the fact that this illness, when it strikes, it leads to some impairments in that particular individual. Okay, it is like person has a fracture of a bone and he goes to an orthopedician, and orthopedician does surgery and fixes the bone. Is that the end of it? No, that is the beginning of recovery there. He needs physiotherapy, he needs to mobilize himself. Because of having the fracture, he is not able to get up, he is not able to move around. So is the case with schizophrenia. When they have the schizophrenia, they would have developed some impairments in their different aspects of their life, as simple as discontinuity of the education or less interaction, no social contacts.
Yeah.
I think you would have seen many of them where the individuals do not even have a friend, do not even have one person as friend.
True.
Which is so challenging, so difficult to even comprehend and understand. But unfortunately, that's the illness that we are talking about. Why do they not have friends? It's because they do not have the social skills.
True.
They do not have a conversation. They cannot strike a conversation with an individual. They find it difficult to establish a relationship, sustain a relationship.
Yeah.
So the marriages are broken. A lot of issues that happens. So there are a lot of impairments because of having schizophrenia, and all these impairments, all this disability part of it that has set in or that sets in an individual is which needs to be addressed, and that is addressed in this rehabilitation. When we are talking about rehabilitation, one thing we have accepted that this illness causes these things,
Right.
and second, these impairments and disability can be permanent as well, is an acceptance that is the starting point. So when we accept that I am going to be limping my entire life, I am not going to look at marathon. I will only look at better walking, speed walking,
Right.
for my own health. So that identification and that support is what is rendered in a psychosocial rehabilitation by professionals.
Absolutely. Just to take it from the science of this whole aspect of what causes social impairment, just to give you all a quick instance. For us, as Kadabums, taking them out to movies, taking them out to restaurants, taking them to an amusement park is all built into the program. And so many of them, the joy is really when we see somebody come back and say, this is probably the first time that I went to a movie in I don't know when I was a child, and then I'm going back to a movie now. So that's the real joy that we've seen, and these things have really helped. So we continue to explore. We will explore many such occasions, many such, I think, places where we can enable better social skills, right?